How to enable ChatGPT voice to voice on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can enable voice to voice conversation with ChatGPT on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure to install the ChatGPT application. If you have not installed it yet, in order to download the official ChatGPT, you can open up Google Play Store and in the search bar, you can search for ChatGPT and install it in your device. But if you have already installed it, make sure that you have the latest version of application installed in order to access the voice feature. Once you have installed the application, you have to open it up, and if you don't have an account, you can simply create one account and sign in with your OpenAI account. So once you're logged in order to use the voice to voice feature, first of all, you have to grant microphone permissions. So once you launch the application, you will see a prompt to grant the microphone access. Make sure to provide the permission for the microphone to the ChatGPT. And once you're done with that, if you navigate on the interface, on this text box next to the microphone icon, there you have an option as a voice. Then you have to tap on that icon right here. So once you land on the voice mode section, if it's your first time using the voice mode, then you'll be prompted to select a voice from options like breeze, amber, sky, and cove. So select according to your preferences, and once activated, you have to speak to ChatGPT and it will respond vocally, allowing for back and forth conversation. So in this way, you can enable ChatGPT voice to voice on your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.